Today we would like to show you difference between dancing with actions and dancing without actions. So let's try an example of cha-cha-cha, cha-cha basic steps. So we have count 1, we have check forward count 2, we have replace back 3, we have side chasse cha, cha 1. Then we have a back basic step back 2, we have replace forward 3, we have side steps cha, cha 1. So what is the main mistake for people when you learn how to dance? It's doing steps only. So what it means steps only? So we learned that there is a step side, leg action, and straight leg. There is a step forward, there is a step back, there is a side together side, and then there is a backward walk, forward walk, cha, cha, cha. But when the music play, if you dance this way, what happens that you feel a little bit wooden. So body feels stuck, feels like it's like marching. So how to solve this and how to get from marching and stepping into dancing? So we have to add action to every step. So for example, each step in cha-cha, let's count. We're gonna have count 1, so it means the whole beat. 2, we have a whole beat. 3, the whole beat. And here we have 2 halves. Half, half, 1, and again 2, 3, and then we have 2 halves. Half, half. So this whole beat, like counts 1, 2, and 3, we can divide into halves. So the first half, we're gonna spend time on doing our steps. 1. But the second half, we're gonna do and. Like this is the after effect, what happens after the leg lands, and releasing your weight to the leg. And of course, this is a lot of ideas how to do it, but at least that we're gonna treat whole beats as a 2 halves, leg and then release into the hip. So we're gonna call it 1 and. 1 and 2, the same here, our leg landed, and. So what is and? There is many things happen on and. So the shoulder connects to the hip, there is a releasement of the weight, there is some sort of body action happens, and. But it's something happening, and. The same back, 30, and now on cha-cha, we're doing again, we're not gonna do just simple step, even though we have only half beats. We're gonna do step, and we still engage shoulder to hip, actions, cha, cha, and here we'll have a little bit, 1, and. So why this is important? Because when you dance, even music fast, what happens is only legs moving, and then the body doesn't have ability to sing and to feel the music. So in this case, whatever you step, you always have this after effect, like an echo. So your steps will have this echo, which we call body action. So let's take a look from the back basic. 2 and 30 and cha, cha, 1 and 2 and 30 and cha, cha, 1 and 2 and 30 and cha, cha, 1 and. And when music gets faster and faster, the difference between step and action become very small. The border is melted, but it's still, there is a small leg and, leg action. And eventually you should feel more as you're doing actions rather than you doing steps. That's our goal. So let's do a little bit like an evolution of steps. So we're gonna do steps, no action, then we add a little bit actions, and then we will speed up tempo, and you will see that we can still maintain flexibility in our bodies. So we go cha-cha, 1, just legs, 2, 3, cha-cha. So this is wooden, this is now recommend. Now we're gonna end cha-cha, 1 and 2 and 3 and cha-cha, 1 and 2. And now a little bit faster, cha-cha, 1 and 2 and 3 and cha-cha, 1 and 2 and 3, cha-cha, 1 and. So this is difference between dancing with the legs and using body.